We do expect to see new signs this morning that inflation is easing. The November jobs report could be key in figuring out the next steps to stopping skyrocketing prices. WRAL's Michael Grace is live in Raleigh, and Michael, economists expect job growth to continue a downward trend. That would be great news.
Yeah, it will be, Jeff. And I spoke with Dr. Mike Walden from NC State. He says he's predicting somewhere between 190,000 to 220,000 in terms of those new jobs growth based on what he's read. And you can compare that to 260,000 is what we had back in October. And as you mentioned, it's great news, not necessarily a bad thing when you hear slower growth. Now, with those higher interest rates, those slower job growth, there's going to be less spending, and hopefully that'll get a handle on that high inflation. And we're already seeing that happen this month with the personal expenditure report just released yesterday. The PCE increased 6% compared to last year. It's also down 0.3% from September. Now, with that being said, slowing the economy with high interest rates and less job growth is expected to take its toll. And even with all these new jobs coming to the Triangle, Walden believes we won't avoid it here.
If you go back and look at previous recessions, we do lose jobs here, maybe not at the pace in some other areas in other states, but we will feel the adverse impacts of obviously of a recession.
Now, the feds do plan to take a look at this jobs report that's coming out when they discuss their next interest hike rates, but they're going to take that into effect, and that meeting is scheduled for December 13th. Live in Raleigh, Michael Grace, WRAL News.